Okay, guys, I just figured out how to get Terraria, Pocket Edition Android Lollipop. I figured out how to get it on a Nvidia Shield tablet. Just to prove to you guys I'm on one. As you can see, the Nvidia stuff down there. But for a long time, you couldn't actually get it at all. So what I did is, if you go, look up Terraria. So I actually bought the full version, okay? And once you try and download this one right here, the $5 no, thing, and then here's the free one right here. If you download this and then inside the game click buy full game, then it will actually let you play. So right here I actually have the full game, the tutorial game kind of right here, and I'm able to do all this stuff since I bought it in the game. It's pretty cool. I really couldn't figure this out, and then I just watched a video by some guys called All Games Played. If you haven't seen their channel, it's pretty cool. They're just starting out, and actually they aren't just starting out, but they have like 1,000 subscribers, and they could really use some help. So really go check them out. They helped me a lot with this video. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day. Let's see. So, this has been Call Me Gamer.